Hi guys. First, I want to show you what you can do with a few pieces of trash or old furniture and a little bit of paint and some DIYs maybe. So this is my living room. This was a very old cabinet, dresser, whatever you want to call it. I painted it. I put some contact paper on it, and there you go. And some new handles, hardware, and it's a brand new cabinet. This fireplace I made from scratch. I found the mantle in the trash. This is a little ladder. It was so old, filled with cobwebs. I took it. I put a little cardstock on the top, and there you go. How cute is that? There's some DIYs for decor for the fall season. That little, what do you call it, I made. This is a cabinet I must have had for a year. I found it in the trash. I couldn't wait to do it. I had a vision in my head. I made all these frames. I just took some fabric and put it in that buffalo check frame. There's another nightstand that I found in the trash. And this is over years, you guys. But this, I made this plant holder. This is what you can do, and you can do it. It's the old window I found, and I just painted it a little bit. There's Bella taking a little nap. Um, Here's a chest that I had. It was my husband's, a tray that I made, a scale that I made, some coasters that I made. This table I found in a trash, and I just put some vinyl numbers on it and made a clock. You guys can do this. I'm not an artist, it doesn't take much. And my living room looks so cute, and everything is secondhand. Okay, so every time I make something, I think about my best friend. She's always like, how do you do these things? I could never do that. Well, I'm here to show you, yes, you can. So I picked three DIYs off three of my favorite YouTubers' channels. This one here is from Lone Fox. He got this, what's it called? I forget what this paper's called. I'm so sorry. Tri- it's called. Oh, I'm so sorry, guys. I'll put the link down in the description box, and I will also put Lone Fox's link down in the description box. So I just took a piece of this wrapping paper. I got it off Amazon. It comes with all these sheets. And I just measured. I cut this. I cut an old spare piece of wood that I had it in four pieces, and he put his on half of the piece of wood. He made half of a coaster with this paper. I'm just putting it on the whole thing, but I'm leaving a little border around the edge. I just take my Mod Podge, put some on the top. I'm trying to film and do it at the same time. Guys, I had such a hard time with my new equipment. Here's my second project. This is Exo McKenna. She made the, I call it like chalk paint, but it's paint mixed with baking soda. You just make it a little thick, and it makes the whatever you're painting turn out like ceramic. So you just go to the thrift store, Goodwill, whatever. You'll see I went to Goodwill. This vase was a little expensive. It was $3.50, but I like the shape of it. I tried to find like the weirdest shape stuff. I just made a video on this. You can look back on my videos and find it. I'm not great at putting the link up, but I'll try. Anyway, you just mix a little bit of paint. I believe it's 3 parts paint, 1 part baking soda. I just eye it. I just pour a little paint in the dish, and then I add maybe a spoonful of baking soda. And it really turns out nice. And what I did with these two, which I didn't do with my last faces that I made doing this technique, I kind of dabbed it on. Now, I don't do it with the first vase, but I think about it and I do it on the second vase, and then I go back and put a second coat on the first vase and do it. Um, so, back to what I was saying. You guys, anybody can do this stuff. You can make your house however you want. You wouldn't believe how much money you could save. What a little coat of paint or a piece of trash, something from the Goodwill, what you could do to it. You'll be amazed at what you could do. Just try it. Don't think you can't do it. Because now, my best friend, she's really into it. I went over her house and I helped her make something, I think, with a stencil. And now she's like off to the races. She's making all kinds of signs and doing all kinds of furniture, and she's doing a great job. So right now I'm just painting this on, but with my second one you'll see. And you can see, look how it looks ceramic. See the texture? You could see like it looks sandy. Okay, now with this one, my paint is a little bit thicker. I added a little bit more baking soda. But in a minute, you'll see how I start just dabbing it. And then I go back and do both bases just like this. Oh, so anyway, I bought a whole bunch of new equipment, a new computer. I had a nice camera. I bought some new editing software, and nothing is working out. I'm back. You'll see I'm dabbing it here. I'm back on my iPad again. It's just so much easier. But I'm not going to let it go to waste, guys. I'm going to work on it while I'm using my iPad because I got to learn it. I invested in all that stuff, and I want to make my channel better, so I'm going to keep working on it. Now, see the texture it gives this vase? Look at that. Look how cool that looks. And it really looks like ceramic. And I love this color. I believe this color is Moss by Waverly. Okay, so my next project is this tray by DIY Home Decor. It's Jazz. She's another one of my favorites. Love watching her videos. She is so clever and so creative. So I apologize because I went upstairs to print something off my silhouette. She did one that was bath. I wanted to do one that said laundry, and I couldn't get my computer to work. I have a separate little computer just for my silhouette, and it's just a cheap little thing, and it says I don't have enough space. So I was getting very frustrated, so I just quit. So what I did was I just stained this, and then I put some little feet on it. I'm just going to use it as a tray. But thank you, Jazz, for giving me some inspiration. I love the round that you did. Guys, I'm going to have all three of their links down in my description box. If you don't already watch them, please go and watch them. They are so amazing. And you too can do this. Go watch some videos, watch YouTube, just do whatever we're doing. You can do it. It's awesome, and it's so much fun and so relaxing. You can do this, guys. You got this. I'm not saying to start a YouTube channel. I'm just saying to make some beautiful decor in your house. It's so worth it. You should watch a Look for Less video and see what we can make for so much less than a person would probably buy it for. You might have bought the same item and just spent $300 for it when we can make it for $3. And the likeness is amazing. So now I just flip it over when it's dry, and I put these little beads on the bottom of it and use them as feet. I use 4 of them. And that's it. That's my project, guys. Guys, please hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos from me, and hit that bell. And hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. I think this is one of my better ones. I didn't make so many mistakes, but it's okay. I'm still learning. I did have 600 subscribers, but somehow I lost 3. I don't know how that happened. If anybody knows how that happens, please leave a message in my comments. Now, I was going to put some stripes on this, but my tape wouldn't stick, and then I got discouraged with the silhouette. Not the silhouette, but the computer. So I just quit. I left it as is. And I love this color. I believe this stain is called ebony. It's like a gray. So thank you, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by and taking time out to watch my video. Stay tuned for more. And remember, you too can do this. I know you can. Check it out.